Why edit to 1 inch? Discover D2 digital editing at VideoIt, pioneers with plenty of D2 know-how and experience. Of course, you're watching me on 1 inch right now, the standard of excellence in video, tape editing, and duplicating. Well, up until now. It's a shame to have to edit it, really, because, well, you know what happens. With each generation it takes to create your edit master, well, the image quality goes down, and down, and down. Remember where we started? Well, so much for 1 inch as the state of the art. Now, let's take a look at the future. At a world that's free of generation loss. You're watching me right now on 10th generation D2 tape. Look better, don't I? Well, now let's put D2 through an unthinkable test. Let's copy our video, going down generation after generation. Not just 10 times, not 15 times, but 20 times. Now compare it to our original. The image is identical. The video looks and is as good as the original because the initial image is digitized, like a computer disc. You get transparent digital dubbing. And what that means to you is optimum video and audio quality over infinite generations. Introducing the new standard of excellence, the D2 Composite Digital Video Recorder, D2 for short. It offers the best picture and video, plus 4 channels of digital audio, each one as perfect as a CD. But what good is all this quality if you can't afford it? Well, great news. The D2 is available at VideoIt, competitively priced with 1 inch. But let's take a look at some of the practical values of this exciting new medium. D2 offers some key features that enable you to have superior quality while actually spending less. In the past, to do dissolve editing, you needed 2 source machines synced together in order to dissolve smoothly from one picture to another. But the Sony DVR10 has an amazing feature called PreRead, which enables you to dissolve between images using only a single source machine. Now here's how it works. You record a picture on the D2. Then the same source machine sends another image to the D2. The D2 editor simultaneously acts as a playback and a record machine. This electronic miracle saves you money for some very specific reasons. Until D2, every additional image had to come from a different source machine, all feeding through separate DVE channels, costing hundreds of dollars more per hour. So the edit bay that you booked is now costing you 2 to 3 times as much just to create this one segment. But now with the D2's right after read capability, well, the segment you're seeing right now was done with 1 source machine and 1 DVE channel. And because the recording process is all digital, the final layered result is just as sharp as the original.